I am that I am. There's energy of somebody standing in their power. I see that you are making healthy choices in love and in life. I'm seeing self love, self care, and being a lot happier. Is what I'm seeing here with this I am that I am. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what the heck is going on. Greetings, I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get to your energy, see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Gratitude for hyping your girl up. I appreciate every last one of you. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking to a masculine or feminine. Place whatever way needs to be placed. Let's say, I am that I am. Healthy choices. I am that I am. Healthy choices. I am that I am. Healthy choices. At the bottom of the deck, I am saying I need space. Is what I'm saying here. I feel like the first card that came out is fix my edges, whipping, oh no, fix my edges, whip ass time. So this is the energy of somebody always felt like they had to fight for a connection or fight to be with someone. That's what I'm seeing here. And you feel like you had to make healthier choices when it comes to love and life. And I see you focusing or possibly have met someone new. That's what I'm seeing here with this new man, new woman. I feel like they're either you get ready to meet someone new or you have met someone new in this present energy. And I'm seeing an energy of you guys moving with a lot more conviction. There's an energy of strength. Leo could definitely be significant here. I'm seeing with the skulls up here that there may have been some sort of transformation as well. You guys are a lot stronger than you were before. I'm seeing you, this is the energy of you guys stepping in your power. And I'm seeing like you definitely had some time, some space. You had space. Because at the bottom of the deck, it was stating that you needed space, but then I'm seeing that you had space, especially when it comes to this healthier choices. It's almost like an energy you have gone through some sort of spiritual transformation. You went within, yeah, like hermit energy. Let's go ahead and clarify this a little bit further. Clarify fix my edges with ass time. Fix my edges. Whip ass time. It meant if you was dealing with a lot of like conflict. In my mind's eye, I'm seeing of the five of wands. At the bottom of the deck, I am seeing the ten of swords. You were backstabbed. There's energy of backstabbing, betraying. Okay, someone trying to treat you as a doormat or something like that. Fix my edges. Fix my edges. What's going on with fix my edges? Fix my edges. I'm seeing somebody entertaining a lot of other options here with this Seven of Cups. Yeah, focusing on their own self pleasure, their own self happiness. That's what I'm seeing here. I feel like someone may possibly had a business or something, or there is an energy of somebody started focusing on building a business or something like that. Look, it's like I don't know, possibly focusing on some sort of expertise. There's an energy of concentrating on some sort of success. So, okay, air sign could definitely be significant. Aquarius. All right, I'm also seeing an emperor energy over here. I'm seeing somebody being very like cutting or very direct with with the things that they're saying to whoever this emperor energy is. This emperor could possibly be an older masculine or something like that, somebody older than you, a father figure or something like that, some sort of authoritative energy. I'm seeing someone being very truthful and honest. Someone speaking their peace, speaking their truth is what I'm seeing here, especially when it comes to some sort of restriction or possibly feeling trapped in some sort of situation that they no longer want to deal with. This is definitely an energy of somebody closing some sort of cycle, letting this person know that I'm leaving. With this world card at the bottom of the deck, that they're wrapping up some sort of cycle. I just seen the Knight of Wands, so it seems like this person was possibly very adventurous type of energy. Clarify new man, new woman. New man, new woman. Clarify new man, new woman. I am seeing a fire sign, Aries, King of Wands energy, and I'm seeing the Wheel of Fortune. I'm definitely seeing an energy of destiny or chance. Fated events is what I'm seeing here as you guys receive good news in regards to a solid beginning. I see you guys setting goals. I'm seeing opportunities increase. Opportunities increase. But I'm also seeing that there is an unconventional lifestyle here. There's something happening here. Clarify new man, new woman. I'm seeing an unconventional lifestyle or unconventional relationship. And someone that's I'm seeing non-conformity here. We have the temperance angel out here bringing balance to a situation. There's an energy of having to be patient. I don't know, whoever this energy is, it's almost like an energy of healing, wounded warrior, ace of swords, single, nine of pentacles, stability, independent, stability, security. I'm seeing an energy of success. Hmm. Clarify this strength. Clarify strength. Wait a minute. I do apologize. So it seems like you definitely gain a lot of clarity with this ace of swords out here. A lot of mental clarity. But I'm also seeing with this strength card, I'm showing that there is I'm showing the block creativity. I'm seeing an energy clarifying strength. I'm seeing an energy of block creativity. I'm seeing someone going through some sort of soul searching, okay? There's energy of self-reflection. I'm seeing an energy of overburden or feeling overloaded with responsibility with the Ten of Wands. Clarify their strength. Clarify their strength. Somebody's carrying a lot of burdens or was carrying a lot of burdens, and it's like you're receiving there's energy of receiving some sort of assistance. This is also like an energy of carrying a lot of burdens because you weren't the same amount of energy you was giving, you weren't receiving back while being in a connection. I'm seeing the moon here, something being hidden, things being hidden. I'm seeing secrets, illusions being cast. Clarify the strength card. Empress, strength. And it's coming out as a masculine energy, so it could be a feminine in her masculine energy. I'm seeing you have emotional intelligence. And I'm seeing the Six of Cups out here. Someone from the past is out here, you guys. And we have the Sun card. Yeah, there's an energy of freedom here. I'm seeing an energy of freedom. I'm seeing positivity. Someone standing in their own self-expression and going through and judgment being called. You making a mandatory choice that change your life for the better. I'm seeing somebody communicating with you or coming to talk to you about being left out in the cold. Yeah, this is someone that you may have possibly have children with, been married to, or something like that. Strength. Anything else we need to know in regards to strength? Yeah, that betrayed you. Strength with the Seven of Swords. What's going on with the strength? Okay, and I'm seeing this somebody in regret and you refusing their offer and this being a missed opportunity with them. Yeah, they're coming out in the devil energy, very toxic. Okay, mental health issues, a lot of secrets. I'm seeing energy of bondage, cheating, very materialistic. And I see you guys made a choice with the Two of Wands. There's energy of making some sort of choice or decision. Yeah, because I'm seeing backstabbing. There's energy you making a choice or decision. It looks like there's energy of backstabbing here. Okay. And somebody new here with the Page of Cups. Yeah, there's new love out here. We got the Knight of Cups energy out here. Page of Cups, Knight of Cups energy. All right. And with this Hangman, I'm seeing energy of waiting. I'm seeing you guys not knowing what to do. You got the 3 wands where you guys are moving or having some sort of foresight. I'm seeing energy of forward planning, forward moving. We have the Lovers card, making a choice, especially when it comes to a relationship with the Lovers card. And we have the King of Swords out here. And the Justice that talks about things working out in your favor. I'm seeing an energy of integrity here, learning some sort of life lesson and a wish fulfillment. Coming out in this energy of wish fulfillment. Somebody in the Nine of Swords at the bottom. There's a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress. Yeah, they rushing in. Yeah. And I feel like it's like somebody rushing in towards you because you're meeting somebody new. There's a new beginning here. You can have water in your chart. Yeah, there's a breakup here. Yeah, this person got removed. Look, didn't I say they come out as the Knight of Wands and something coming to an end? I see a lot of conflict. There was a lot of argument, fussing, and fighting. And I'm seeing somebody juggling. This person was juggling and still wanted to hold on to you with the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, now they're in the Nine of Swords. There's energy of regret. Okay. And there's some sort of regret, some sort of remorse. Yeah, there had some sort of loss. Now somebody mourning, feeling unwelcome to the changes that are happening because of the decisions that they have made. They cause a stressful. I'm seeing a lot of stressful. This came with a lot of stress. I'm seeing a lot of difficulties and painful voices and decisions. That's what I'm seeing here. This person saying you happy and they don't like that. Mm-mm. It's like an energy of them wanting to come over and celebrate with you or something like that. And we got the Knight of Pentacles out here. I'm seeing you guys obtaining unexpected sources of income or money as well. You got your boundaries up. Yeah, you might even got this person blocked. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm also seeing you're very protective. All right. Yeah, it's like you got this person blocked. And we got the Tower card here. Things happening unexpected. You got a lot of unexpected events happening for you, like happening in divine timing, and you got this person that's insecure. At one point in time, they used to make you feel insecure. Now they're insecure. Look, that's how it was in a connection. At one point in time, they used to make you feel insecure. They had you feeling in fear. I'm seeing an energy of suspicious. They were very suspicious. They neglect their responsibilities and then had the nerve to be watching you. Now they had the nerve to be watching you then, and now they about to watch you be in another connection because they self-sabotaged. And now they can't rest. Now they like living in this energy of stress, needing to regroup. Some of these people may end up in the hospital or something like that. I'm seeing a closing of a cycle here with the World card. It seems like there's a successful completion here. It seems like some sort of wish fulfillment here for you guys. You reaching some sort of goal, some sort of plans that you wanted, especially in regards to you making healthy choices in love and in life. That's what I see here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.